Who would win in a match between the tattooed and non-tattooed players? The tattooed team would comprise Ederson as goalkeeper, Walker as right back, Marcelo as left back, and Sergio Ramos and Eder Militao as central defenders. In midfield, we have Rodrigo de Paul, Toni Kroos, and Fede Valverde. The wingers will be Vinicius on the left and Lionel Messi on the right, while Zlatan Ibrahimovic will occupy the center-forward position. Before we continue, double tap to like, comment below. Who do you think will win the match between the tattooed and non-tattooed, and place your predictions below. Moving on, the team without tattoos would consist of Thibaut Courtois in goal, Hakimi at right back, Alphonso Davies at left back, and Ronald Araujo and Virgil van Dijk as center backs. In midfield, Rodri, Jude Bellingham, and Kevin De Bruyne would play. Kylian Mbappe would play as right winger, Mohamed Salah as left winger, and Cristiano Ronaldo as center forward. That's how the tattooed and non-tattooed teams would be formed. Who do you think would win the match?